trait that's most noticeable about me is that I probably work more hours and sleep less than I should. If I could be anywhere in the world, I'd probably be in New York. I just love it here. It's the place I like to spend the majority of my time. From a vacation standpoint, I love Palm Beach, Florida, and I love our home there, Mar-a-Lago. So to me, that's just very relaxing. I think you have to be genuine, and I think when you're writing a book, you really have to be comfortable with revealing something about yourself. My favorite TV show is The Apprentice, followed by Gossip Girl. My guilty pleasure.